Guys, welcome to my channel. This is me Shraddha here, and today I am back with another video, and this is all about Purple haul and Amazon haul. So I am going to show both the products and I will do the difference in both. So let's begin with the video. As you all can see the products whatever I have picked Purple haul. Okay, so firstly I am going to show you all Himalaya Neem Purifying Face Wash, as you all can see. Okay, and this is the 200 ml bottle of rupees 100. Mostly I picked Neem kind of face wash because I do get lots of pimples, guys. So yeah, and Himalaya is like natural brand, so I like that. And then again I have taken from Himalaya only Neem face wash. It's Himalaya moisturizing aloe vera face wash and it's rich with vitamin E. So guys, if you having dry kind of skin, so must go for this product. And this is 100 ml. Just I have taken to try on my skin, and if it does not suit on my skin, so I will give to my sister this product, and I will soon show the review on these face washes. And then again I have taken from Biotic these two face washes. I hope you all can see, guys. I am not using like this only, guys. I have made some DIY, and along with that I am using. So if I will find out some good result, then definitely I am going to share with you all. I have taken 2 tea tree oils. I hope you all can see it. Okay, and now I will show you the packaging of this tea tree oil. One I have started using, guys. So see this, and this is the 15 ml bottle of rupees 499. This is 300 gram, and I have taken 2 box. One I have started using, and the fragrance of this product is awesome, guys. I like the fragrance. If you don't like some strong fragrance, so you can avoid this, but I like because when you will start using on your skin, like see, it gets absorbed on skin very soon. I like this aloe vera gel. If you wanna try, you must just try once. And earlier I was using from Patanjali. So guys, why I don't like Patanjali aloe vera gel? Because it gives on our skin like sticky kind of feeling, so I don't like that. And then I have taken toner, and this is from Biotic brand. And see, this one I have started using, guys. Just I will show you. I hope you all can see it. Okay, and yeah, guys, earlier I was using Kama rose water, but I didn't see much difference. Like, yeah, it's pure rose water, and even I have used from Forest Essential rose water. So, but again I came back to my favorite one, Biotic Bio Cucumber face wash. It's like all time my favorite. Summer, winter, all time I use. And guys, I have taken this tiny bottle of sanitizer, and as you all know that this is also from the Good Vibes. Okay, and WHO has mentioned like we should buy all sanitizer which having 70% of alcohol. So in this they have mentioned that it has 70% of alcohol. So yeah, one more bottle of that lemon essential oil, and not one more, 2 more, sorry, I have forgot. So this is the 30 ml bottle of rupees 375, and I like this product also for the scars and all. I do get, so for that I use. And then guys, this is the my most favorite ingredient, like for all females they should keep this. This is the vitamin C from Saint Botanica. Okay, and guys, the packaging of this product is very cute. I hope you all can see it, and soon I will do the review on this, because this is not my first bottle. I have used many, and I have got discount on Purple while ordering this. So, and yeah, guys, one more thing, I have got the gift. This is the hand cream Lotus and Say from the Good Vibes, and this is the 50 gram. I hope you all can see. And once I have used, it's worked on my hand very properly. If it's going to work amazingly, then definitely I am going to share the review with all. So this was all about this video, and this got over. And then again I am going to show you all the amazing one. So comment down below like which products you like in Purple haul, okay, and in Amazon haul. And so I hope guys you all can see this Amazon haul product. Okay, and guys, I have taken this almond, and almond is very good for our skin, for our hair, and even for our mind. So we should buy this product. And yeah, and then I have taken tea tree oil, and I have taken from Beauty Co, and then from Organic. I hope you all can see this box. Okay, and then now I will show you like how the bottle is, and soon I will give the review on this, guys. And see this, they have given tiny dropper, and then this is the 15 ml bottle of tea tree oil. And this is first time I have brought, guys, from Organic tea tree oil. I hope you all can see, and they have done very nice packaging of this product. So see this, how properly they have done. So yeah, and then I have purchased from Amazon this Valley. See this, and guys, in Amazon they do the packaging very nicely. That's why I didn't remove for showing you all. So yeah, and guys, I like actually for regular basis black color, and then dark color I like to use on regular basis. And the sole of this Valley is good, so I like this most. And yeah, this is all about this Valley. And the packaging for all the products from Amazon was very good, and I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. So I told you all earlier, like I will do the difference in both, like in Purplle and in Amazon. So in Purplle, what they do, like they do the packaging like very poorly. Purplle, you always get the discount, but in other brands like in Amazon, they will not give the discount and all. And the only drawback for the Purplle is that they do not do the packaging properly. Like see, I have taken the 2 bottles of 30 ml bottles of lemon essential oil, but they didn't provide us 1 dropper also. So this is I don't like from the Purplle. But yeah, all girls like they should get discount, and then they should get some gift. So this is what we are getting from Purplle. So all about, like I like, but still packaging is little bit poor. So I hope guys you all enjoyed watching my video, and comment down below like which product I should do the review first, and let me know if you having any queries. And this was all about this video. Bye guys.